Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll do exercise 2.2 polynomials class 9. So here first question is find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0, x equals minus 1 and x equals 2. So let's put all these values one by one in this polynomial. We know we can write this polynomial as px is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now put at x is equal to 0. Put this value here. I'll put 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. We know anything multiplied by 0 will get 0 only. This will become 0 minus 0 plus 3. So my answer is 3 here. So next, second question here, we have to put x is equal to minus 1. Let's put this value in px. So this will become p minus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. So this will become equal to minus 5. This I'll get minus 4 plus 3, which is equal to minus 9 plus 3. So this will become negative 6. This is my answer. And third question here we have to put x equal to 2 in px. So this will become p2, which is equal to 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3, which is equal to 10 minus 4 into 4 plus 3, which is 10 minus 16 plus 3. Correct? So this will become minus 6 plus 3, which is equal to minus 3, negative 3. This is my answer. So second question here we have find p0, p1 and p2 for each of the following polynomial. So first we have first polynomial py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. So let's put this value y equal to 0. p0 will become 0 minus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. Second we have p1. So this will become 1 square minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1. They will get cancelled. My answer is 1. So next we have 2. So p2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1. This is equal to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3, and this is my answer. So second part here we have pt is equal to, now let's put 0. p0 will become equal to 2 plus 0. Here also 0. 2 into 0 minus 0 cube, which is equal to 2. All these terms are 0. So next we have to put p1. So t I have to put here 1. So this will become 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube, which is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. So they will get cancelled. So my answer is 4. Next we have to put t2. So this will become p2 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 raised to power 2 minus 2 raised to power 3, which is equal to 2. So this will become 4 plus 8 minus, this is also 8. They will get cancelled and 4 is my answer. Here third question we have px is equal to x cube. So first we have to put x equal to 0. So this will become p0, which is equal to 0. Next we have to put x value 1. So this will become p1, which is equal to 1 raised to power 3, which is equal to 1. This is my answer. And third we have x, we have to put 2. So I can do this as p2, which is equal to, I'll put value 2 raised to power 3. This will become 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8, and this is my answer. So last question here we have px is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. So first value of x is 0. So this will become 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1 into 1, which is equal to minus 1, and this is my answer. And next value we have to put x is equal to 1. So this become 1 minus 1 and 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0 into 2. So this is 0. Next we have to put x is equal to 2. So this will become 2 minus 1 and 2 plus 1, which is equal to 1 into 3, and 3 is my answer. So third type of question here we have, verify whether the following are zeros of polynomials indicated against them. Here we have 8 questions. So let's do few questions from these 8 questions. So first I'll take first question. So for question number 1 here is px is equal to 3x plus 1, and I have to put this value x minus 1 by 3. So let's put this value. Let's see what will happen after putting this value here. So 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So see, this 3 will get cancelled with this. I will left with minus 1 plus 1. So I'm getting 0. So what if after putting this value x is equal to minus 3, I'm getting p minus 1 by 3 equals to 0. It means this x, it means that x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of given polynomial. So let's take now third question. Here px is equal to x square minus 1, and we have to put two values here, x1 and minus 1. First let's put this value x1. So we'll get x square minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So this means x is equal to 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. Now let's see for this also, p minus 1. So this will become minus 1 square minus 1. This is also 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So we can say x is equal to 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of given polynomial. So next question I'm taking here is sixth one, which says px is equal to lx plus m, and x value here I have to put minus here x I have to put negative m upon n. Let's put this value, p negative m upon l is equal to l into minus, so negative l upon l, m upon l plus m. This l will get cancelled with this. I will left with negative m plus m. So they will get cancelled. I will get 0. So we can say x is equal to m upon l is a 0 of given polynomial. Last question here I'll do this seventh one. Here my px is equal to 3x square minus 1, and I have to put two values of x. Let's see what will happen here. So x, first I'll take minus 1 by negative 1 divided by square root of 3. So let's put this value here, negative 1 upon square root of 3 whole square minus 1. So I'll get here 3 into 1 upon 3 minus 1. This 3 will get cancelled. This I'll get 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So this means this negative 1 upon square root of 3 is a 0 of this polynomial. Now let's check for this to square root of 3. So I'll get here 3 into 2 square root of 3 whole square minus 1, which is equal to 3 into 4 divided by 3 minus 1. This will get cancelled. This I will left with 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. It means 2 square root of 3 is not a 0 of given polynomial. So only x is equal to 1 divided by square root of 3 is a 0 of given polynomial. But x is equal to 2 square root of 3 is not a 0 of given polynomial. The last and fourth type of questions here we have, find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. So to find the 0 of a polynomial, we have to equate that polynomial with 0. So let's get started. The first question is px is equal to x plus 5. So what we have to do? We have to take here px equal to 0. So it means that x plus 5 is equal to 0. So this will become minus 5. So 0 of this polynomial is x is equal to 5. So next question here we have px is equal to x minus 5. So here again we have to equate this with 0. So I'll get x minus 5 equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 5, and this is the 0 of px. So third question here we have px is equal to 2x plus 5. To get 0 of this polynomial, I will equate this with 0. So I will get 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to negative 5 by 2, and this is the 0 of px. We know if I put this value x is equal to negative 5 by 2, I will get px, this p minus 5 by 2 equal to 0. So last question here I'll do. So px is equal to ax, where a is not equal to 0. So here same thing, bx will equate with 0. It means ax is equal to 0. So a is not equal to 0 means x is equal to 0, and this is the 0 of the polynomial px. So from all these questions we can see that it is not necessary that the 0 of the polynomial is equal to 0. It can be any value. Please try to do other questions yourself and write your answers in comment box. Thank you everyone for watching my video.